Good morning, friend. Today is 30th of November. Lazy morning. There were many questions put across to me. Will there be any difference in volatility of options once we change over from weekly to monthly? Because now only Nifty weekly options are permitted. And apart from that, all the three remaining, that is Bank Nifty, Midcap Nifty, and Fin Nifty, we have only monthly options. Yes, of course, a slight difference, just like the difference in 2020 overs cricket and the test cricket. Okay, volatility slightly may be down in case of a monthly option. Premium may be high. So, but we should use it uh, in our favor. How that I shall show you. Now, especially uh, the SPP about which I'm going to talk. SPP is nothing else but single premium price. One such premium across all the strikes, which exactly tells you not only the trend, but you can also take trades on the basis of it. Single premium price. I will not disclose how the SPP is calculated because that's a lengthy calculation. Uh, as usual, I shall disclose 90%, 10% are up to you. You run your brain and you find it out. 90% will be provided, man. Okay, without wasting time, let's go on chart. And now let's see first this. Let me share this to you all. Yeah, you can see this now. This is index SPP. The message is posted at 9 minutes past 9 on November 29, that is yesterday, Friday, before the market started. And Nifty is 205.05. This is the SPP. In short, we need to find out one call and one put of whose first 5-minute candle close is near SPP. It exactly won't be the same, slightly up, slightly down, but you have to find out the best possible combination. One call, one put. So now let's go on chart. Let me share chart also for you. Now see this first, let's see Nifty. Now see Nifty, this is the first candle. Okay, first 5-minute candle. Now the regular procedure is we just find out first 5-minute candle high plus 0.2611 and first 5-minute candle low minus 0.2611. Now, in case of a lesser volatility, you can also take half of 0.2611, which is 0.1306. I will show you that in Bank Nifty later. So first, this particular first 5-minute candle high 23989.55 plus 0.2611, that amounts to 24052.18. I have already drawn a line. The black line indicates first 5-minute candle high plus 0.2611. The lower black line indicates first 5-minute candle low minus 0.2611. And the orange color line is nothing else, but it is the central line, means this line value plus this line value divided by 2. This is. In short, you can say if the price breaks above this particular band, it will be super bullish. If it breaks below this lower line, it will be super bearish. Orange line is the center, it is a border above which the province or the country of bulls start, and below it the country of bears. Okay, so just see now at the end of this 5-minute, see the Nifty was 23,975, but on the basis of SPP, which was 205, we selected a call and put of 24,000 and 24,050. There is something called common points. We need to have at least four common points. I will not go into detail because that again is a separate chapter that will take more than 2.5 hours. No one will watch that much of a lengthy YouTube video. So you just see it over here. The first 5-minute candle, 24,000 call, close is 200, near to 205, and put is also 198. There is no other strike which is as close as these two, near close to SPP of 205. Now there is something called swapping. Having found the four common points, we minimum need 4 or 6 common points. Minimum 4, maximum 6. There is something called swapping, means high of call, just see 214.9 and 186.85. They are drawn on put, and high and low put, which is 204.1 and 181.65. They are drawn on call. Simple, a golden rule, call and put are always equal and opposite. If someone is breaking above the high of the first candle, the second one has to break below the low of the first candle. If something is closing above the high of the upper line, the counterpart should close below the low of the upper line. Simple, target upper line plus 26.11, second will be upper line plus 50, upper line plus 73.89, upper line plus 100, upper line plus 126.11, so on and so forth. While going down, you shall maximum find a target between this lower line minus 50% and the center of minus 50% and minus 73.89. Never ever you shall find a premium going below the lower line minus 73.89, and you can find this only on the last day when one of the premium has to become zero. Okay, so mind this. Beautiful entry, it went up. Now just see why the price came back from here 950 10. See what happened at 950 10. Simple, 950 10. It took a resistance near first candle high plus 0.2611. That is why it came down, took a support at the median, went away. Once this level was broken, now see, there are so many things to be watched. Why it didn't breach at this time? See, this candle, most of the part of the candle is below the line here. The price went down, someone created a position, that's why it went up. But see the difference between these candle and this is a huge candle. Okay, someone has really created a bias in favor of call. He's taken a lot of quantity. That shows his conviction in the upward trend. Merely by looking at the candle, you can know which way trend is going to work. And now this candle center was never been broken. This is a very big candle, and that's why it went further. Okay, so exactly at that time it took resistance, came back, took support. See the beauty. Now whenever you buy this side, your stop loss will be one red candle closing below the lower line, while most important, the second condition also should be fulfilled, and that is this side price closing above the upper line making a green candle. This is not either or, this is and. If this candle closes below the lower line making a red candle, this has to close above the upper line making a green candle, then physically you will go and stop that and trigger the stop loss. That's all. Otherwise, it comes back, takes a support, goes up, never to come back again. Such a beautiful trend among all this chaos, people are not knowing where to go, which direction to go. This is simple. Now, this is a 2020 match because this is a weekly option. Let's go to Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank, just see, first 5-minute candle close. 52019.95. This is the first 5-minute candle close. What did we do? We just drew the levels, upper level, lower level. Now here upper level will be first candle high plus 0.2611, that is 52089.45 plus 0.2611%, that is 52225. That will be much above. And similarly the lower line will be first candle low minus 0.2611, that is 51982.85 minus 0.2611, that is 51847. You can see the black line down, and then add this to divided by 2, that will be the center line. Now see, there is a possibility which I mentioned at the beginning of this video. When there is a lesser volatility, price can take a resistance at first candle high plus 0.1306, exactly half, or first candle low minus 0.1306. This did exactly the same, took resistance, came down, exactly took support near first candle low minus 0.2611, went to the median. Above this, the bullish province would have started, took a resistance, came back again, and this is in tandem with the option prices. Now for option, as far as option is concerned, let me show you here. You can see this over here. See, index SPP, Bank Nifty 874.25. So essentially, we should look forward to a premium of 874.25, which is SPP. And that is why we selected 52,400 call and put, of which premium at the close of first 5 minutes was 847. The one nearest to the SPP, put side it is 892, the one nearest to the SPP. Again, find out four common points and then swap. See, so the high and low of call 898.7, 809.05, they are plotted on put. High and low of put 895.8, 833.6, they are plotted on call, and then see equal and opposite. Always remember this candle has closed above. You shouldn't buy because here the candle is not closing below this. See the difference. Here one candle is closing above the upper line, second one is far away from closing below the lower line. While in Nifty, just see this beauty, one candle closed above the upper line, counterpart closed below the lower line. This is what you have to see. So here the market is deceiving. Then one candle closed below the lower line, exactly at the breakout at the upper line, went up. Now why it reversed from this side? There are many things. This is a Mangesh candle. We call it a Mangesh candle. This is a Mangesh candle. Once a Mangesh candle is formed, one should be cautious. A big move can come after that. So this was it. Now see 10:15. What has happened at 10:15? 10:15 is nothing else but this. It's garnering support at first candle low minus 0.26%. Then from here it went up to the midpoint at around 10:35, 10:40. What happened? See 10:35, 10:40. See this. Put came down, call went up. Exactly, call is finding resistance. That is the beauty of mathematical trading. How you shall come to know? It's finding a level, it's finding a resistance. See, exactly at the same time, it's finding a resistance. See again, from there it came down. Now put will rise, call will come down after 11:05. See, after 11:05, put will rise. Yeah, from here itself, put will rise, call will come down. Okay, and then always remember, it gave you first entry, second entry, third time you have to be cautious. Why cautious? Because next 2 days, Saturday, Sunday are off, and the decay will start heavily now. So that was the reason it came down. Even then it took a support near here and went up to this. So mathematical trading is like this. What I wanted to show you, SPP, use of SPP, single premium price. I think it's a very simple thing. You can find this SPP on my Telegram channel. I have only one official Telegram channel, no other Telegram channel. And there are many running in my name. I call them fake. They have no necessity to use my name and logo. So you can ensure by means of only the link which is given in the description box of my YouTube, that is the genuine Mangesh Magical Trading channel, where you shall find SPP. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great weekend ahead. Bye bye. Thanks.